What you're looking at here is the Armattan CNC 355 with the KK2 flight controller. I've just built this. Here's my test flight. As you can see, it flies real nice. This is without any self-leveling. I'm flying in acro mode. See if it does some flips here. Yep, you can do flips with it, no problem. Lots of power. I've only got it at 70% stick scaling, so there's lots of room to increase that. Get them up close here. You can see I've got orange arms on the back, black on the front, orange props on the back, black on the front. KK2, got bullets between the speed controllers and the power board, as well as between the speed controllers and the motors. So it's easy to swap out parts. It's got an orange orange receiver on it, 6-channel. It's got the auxiliary port, so you can turn on self-level. Which, hey, let's give that a shot here. Self-level is now on. It's a little bit windy. You can see the wind's pushing it away, but as far as the self-level goes, it's holding really solid. Actually, it's great. If it wasn't windy, I think it'd just be sitting there. So yeah, self-level works great on the auxiliary channel. As far as performance, there he goes. Nothing to worry about. It's got tons of power for anybody that's into acro or wanting to learn to do high performance flying. But if you're just a beginner, you can just dial down the stick scaling to about 30 or 40, which I'll probably set it back to after this, and it'll be a nice starting helicopter, quadcopter, to learn stuff like this. Or if you don't want to do acro and you want to do scale flying, you'll be able to do this. Now I'll sell this with everything you see there. I can sell it with a brand new battery. That one's used, but I'll sell it with a brand new one. Charger, spare set of props. I'm not sure what else you would need. Oh, an orange RX if you want to have a controller for it. I've got an extra orange RX transmitter to go with the receiver. If you have your own transmitter, and it's DSM2, you're ready to go. And the battery's getting tired, so I'll bring it in. But this is my first actual flight with this thing. I hovered it out in the yard once. First real flight, flies like a beauty, nice and solid. It's on rails, it's all set up and ready to go.